In this video, I'll show you how to change the key battery for newer Volvo models like the S60, V60, S90, V90, XC40, XC60 and XC90. To open the case, there's a small latch that you need to pull to the side. This will allow you to slide open the cover. Under this cover, you'll find the key blade in case you ever need it. To remove the back part, there's another small latch at the top. Just like before, pull it to the side and slide the back cover down. Now you can see the battery cover, which you can remove by turning with a screwdriver. Inside is a 2032 battery that's held in place with 3 metal clips. Use a tool to push the battery away from these clips so that it comes loose. Now we can insert the new battery. With the positive side facing up, push it towards these 2 clips and it locks into place. Replace the battery cover by aligning the arrow with the open position and then rotate it until it's secured. Finally, slide the covers back on the case and you're done. You can of course buy the batteries and even a fresh key cover at Vparts.se.